How to speed up a slow Windows PC. So if you want to speed up a slow Windows PC, then what you need to do is you need to just simply right click on your task bar, and then you will find an option of Task Manager. You need to click on the Task Manager option. Once you click on the Task Manager, you'll get this kind of interface. Now you need to just simply go and disable the startup apps. So go with startup apps, which will be on the left side. And then here you need to just go and disable the startup apps. So right click on it, go with disable. Don't enable the unnecessary applications. Now the second step is to delete the junk folder or the junk files. For that, you need to just simply press Windows and R keys together, and then you will get this kind of interface. Here you need to enter some commands. So the first command is clean mgr and hit the enter. Then we need to select our C drive and go with OK. And then if you just selected all the items from here, which is downloaded program files and then temporary internet files and everything like temporary things like temporary files right here, recycle bin and everything, you need to just simply go and click on OK and go with yes, delete files. And that's it. It will clean up your C drive. Don't worry, your important files won't be deleted. It will only delete some Zang file that is created by your computer machine. Next, our third step is to uninstall the unused app. For that, you need to simply click on the start icon. Just right click on it, and then you will find an option of settings right here. You need to click on settings. And from the settings, you need to go with apps. And from apps, you need to go with installed apps. Once you click on the installed apps here, you will have all of the installed apps. Like if you don't use any application, in my case, I don't use like Adobe Acrobat, you need to just go with the right side and then click on uninstall. In the same way, if you don't use any kind of the applications right here, you need to just simply go with the right side, click on the three dots, and then uninstall. Once you do that, it will speed up your slow Windows PC. Next, we can just simply go with our settings again and then go with system, which will be on the left side. From the system, you need to click on storage, and here you will have your storage, right? So you need to just simply go and delete the space. Like if the installed apps is using a lot of space, you can go and delete it. Or if the temporary files are more, you can go and delete the temporary files or you just need simply clean up your storage from here. Make sure to turn on the storage sense option. And now our last step will be scanning for malware. For that, you need to just simply right click on your Windows button again, and then you will find the settings option. You need to go with settings. And from the settings, you need to just simply go with the left side, and you will find an option of privacy and security. You need to click on privacy and security, and then you need to go with Windows security. From the Windows security, you will find an option of virus and threat protection. Just click on it, and here you will have an option of quick scan. Also, there are a lot of scan options, but you need to click on a full scan. And if you click on scan now, it will going to scan all of your devices. It might take a minute, and it will remove all of the threads that you have on your computer. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.